What's up, everybody? As promised, I'm back at TSR at the range to put some rounds through the MR920 from Shadow Systems. So we're going to be putting some 115 grain 9mm range ammo through it. Nothing super special, just we're going to check out how flat this shoots, how accurate it is, and how it feels in the hand. So let's go ahead and get started. One of the great things about the MR920 is it does come with a threaded barrel. So we're going to put some rounds downrange with a surefire suppressor and see what it sounds like. Now keep in mind, I am using 115 grain rounds, which aren't subsonic, but they might be able to keep it below that 1100 foot threshold coming through a 4-inch barrel. Let's give it a try. That actually makes a heck of a difference. Now, one thing I do notice right off the bat is the Holosun makes a perfect sight picture with the suppressor on it. It is running a little bit taller sights, but they are not suppressor height sights, so I do have a little bit of sight obstruction if I didn't have the Holosun on it. Well, there you have it. What a great shooting pistol. This is the MR920 by Shadow Systems. This particular one is the MR920 Elite with a threaded barrel and the Holosun optic. You can get them in a bunch of different colors and configurations, but they're all built around the same pistol. So if you're looking for a very well-built, duty-ready pistol, consider the Shadow Systems MR920 and get down there and practice at TSR. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. Be glad to hear from you. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be the first one notified anytime we have a new pistol come out, some awesome range time, all kinds of neat things coming from Ted Shooting Range. So from TSR, this is Chris signing off. Stay safe out there.